Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about composition of cell membrane. Cell membrane is also called as plasma membrane. In plant cell, the cell wall is the outermost layer. Inner to cell wall, the cell membrane layer is present. It covers the protoplasm. In almost all living cells, the cell surface is enclosed by a living membrane. The cell membrane separates the protoplasm from the cell wall in plants. The term cell membrane is given by C. Nageli and Kramer. In mycoplasma and animal cells, only plasma membrane is present. Most of the cell organelles are enclosed by plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is ultra thin, elastic, and living membrane. All biological membranes are similar in structure and chemical composition. Plasma membrane is made up of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Generally, it is 75 angstroms thick, but depending on the cell type, it may vary. Lipids. In plasma membrane composition, lipids account 40%, but depending on the type of cell, it may vary. 28 to 79% of lipids are present. Generally, lipids are of four types: phospholipids, glycolipids, sphingolipids, cholesterols. But in all these, phospholipids content is more. Phospholipid molecule is having head and tail like structure. Here, phospholipids are arranged in two layers or two rows. It is a bilipid layer. In each phospholipid molecule, head like hydrophilic phosphate is present. Here it is a phospholipid layer. Number of phospholipid molecules are arranged in two rows. Here it is one row, it is one row. In phospholipid molecule, head-like part is hydrophilic and it is water-loving, and tail-like part is hydrophobic. It is a fatty acid containing tail. Hydrophobic means water-repelling. Like this, two natures, water-loving, water-repelling, or hydrophilic, hydrophobic natures are present in the phospholipid molecule. That's why it is called as amphipathic. Acidic lipid parts bind with the negatively charged protein parts. Because of lipids only, membranes are always continuous. Here the membrane is continuous because of lipid molecules only. Proteins are here and there, they are arranged. In plasma membrane composition, proteins occupy major part, 20 to 70%, generally 50%. Mainly three types of proteins are present in the plasma membrane: structural proteins, functional proteins, carrier proteins. Structural proteins. These involve in the structure of plasma membrane. Depending on the distribution and position, these structural proteins are of two types: extrinsic, intrinsic. Extrinsic proteins are also called as peripheral proteins. Here peripheral proteins are present. Next, here integral proteins are intrinsic proteins. Here peripheral proteins attached to head portions of phospholipids. Intrinsic proteins are integral proteins. These integral proteins are intermingled. Next, functional proteins. These are enzymes catalyze different chemical reactions associated with the plasma membrane. For example, acidic phosphatase. Next, these functional proteins also involve in the transportation of different materials across the membrane. Here it is inside the cell, cytoplasm. Completely it is cytoplasm. It is plasma membrane. It is outside the plasma membrane or extracellular fluid towards cell wall. So here the materials are transported from cytoplasm to here outside the plasma membrane or outside to inside also. Here the transportation is taking place across the membrane. Carrier proteins transport ions and other materials through the plasma membrane. For example, permease or galactoside permease. Next, carbohydrates occupy smaller portion, about 5%. These may be branched or unbranched chains of sugars. These are covalently linked to both lipids and proteins. If they are linked with lipids, they are called as glycolipids. If they are linked with proteins, known as glycoproteins. Here we can observe glycolipids and here glycoproteins. Glycoproteins help in transmission of information and also act as antigens. These help in identifying toxic substances and restrict their entry into the cell.